Handy Hudsonite here. In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of the pop-up reviews that come up occasionally in your apps, like these review boxes that you see on the screen. I'm going to show you how to get rid of them, but don't worry, you can still leave reviews for your favorite apps, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Let's go in here to my phone, and I'm going to go into my Settings app. You want to scroll down until you get to the App Store menu, and then when you're in this menu, scroll down where you see In-App Ratings and Reviews. If you have that toggled on, if it's green, just simply toggle it off and you won't get any more of those pop-up reviews in your apps. So how can you go in and leave a review? Well, all you have to do is come over to your App Store app and tap on your icon, whatever that is there, and then select Purchased. And these are all the apps that you have downloaded onto your phone. You can also select the ones not on your iPhone if you wanted to download these, just a little tip there. But go into all and then search out the app that you want to leave the review, like my T-Mobile app, and you can scroll down here to where it says write a review, and then a dialog will pop up that will enable you to leave a star, a number of stars, and then also a title, and then any content that you want to leave to submit your review. So that's how you can disable those pop-up reviews, but yet still leave a review on your favorite app. Let me know what questions you have about this or anything else related to the settings in your iPhone. And be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this one. I'll see you in the next video.